Based on the fit selected, we add movement room to your body measurements and calculate your shirt dimensions. Since we use your body measurements as a base, larger men should not feel obligated to select comfort or loose fit. In fact, slim fit is our most popular option. Super slim fit is preferred by those who don't mind the restrictive motion of tight-fitting shirts. Our slim fit is well cut, but at the same time affords some comfort. It's our most popular fit. Our comfort fit is for those who want a fit that's roomy but not baggy. Our loose fit is preferred by men who value comfort over all else. It's a generous fit that offers great ease of movement.